Hello, I am your friendly neighborhood witch of what the f, and today I'm going to talk to you about when flip cups go wrong and you accidentally invoke the spirit of a ghost of a skeletal alien overlord. Sometimes flip cups go wrong. And I mean really wrong. So this video is about me trying to do a flip cup with Shelly Art style materials and it failing hard. So what did I do? I added a bloom to it and then I blew that out with a straw and a lot of time, and I ended up with, yes, you guessed it, the ghost of a skeletal alien overlord. At least I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Looking at it, it's kind of frightening. I think I channeled something I probably shouldn't have. I guess we'll see how that goes for me.
Hey, Raina, stop being a total witch and tell them about the recipes.
So that is paints mixed with untainted base paint. Why is that so hard to say? Untinted base paint that you use for painting walls and all of that sort of thing. That mixed with some polyacrylic and paint. And you put it over a little bit of house paint just as a way to make it flow, and then you add a cell activator on the bottom and the top, and sometimes it comes out great. But today I'm going to show you this crazy summoning alien overlords that are also ghost skeletons. I'm not saying that it was aliens, but it was aliens. You know, if any of you know Giorgio, I would really like to have dinner with him. You think you could arrange that for me? It would be really fascinating, I think. Yeah, fascinating. Dinner with Giorgio Tsoukalos. Tsoukalos? I have no idea how to say that. The guy from Ancient Aliens. I want to have dinner with him. And some wine. That would be fun. I feel like I should get him just a little bit tipsy, and aliens, Giorgio, me, dinner. Let's make this happen. So, without further ado, I will show you the flip cup from Alien Hell, and you make up your own mind and tell me what I captured in there, because maybe you've seen something like it before in your nightmares. I know I have. I forgot to hit record before I started, so I'm doing a flip cup today. I've only got two colors in here so far. The bottom is a lime green cell activator that I made with white paint and Floetrol, and then I added some lime green ink to it. And then second layer is just some hot fluorescent green. All the paints I'm using today are Artist Loft paint mixed with untinted base 3 house paint and polyacrylic. This is gold. This is another cell activator. I started out white and then I mixed it with dioxazine purple. That silver turned funky. Throw some metallic white in on top of the silver. And it's more electric green. It's my favorite. I'm going to do my very favorite cobalt, that I swear still isn't cobalt, but you know, whatever. I'm going to do white then. Actually, no, I think I'll do gold. See how those layer together. Purple. My light blue cell activator now. And next to that, I want a turquoise. And great contrast there. Silver. I'm trying to pour down the side like I would with a ring pour or a straight or a dirty pour, just to get the max effect here. Let's see, so I did those two colors together. I think I'll do turquoise next to the gold. Who knows? I could get out my color wheel, but I don't feel like it. I'm a little apathetic about that today. Oops, didn't mean to do that. But that is the joy of fluid art. I'm gonna do cobalt blue. What I think is cobalt blue, but they just call it metallic blue. Fair enough. I have absolutely no idea what order I'm putting these in. I'm not paying that much attention. Just kind of going with whatever color looks good next to the next one. Since this is a flip cup, they're all gonna kind of get mixed up anyway. I'm not filling it to the brim because I'm going to be putting some house paint here on the canvas to help it spread. If I were going to be doing a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, which this is with, say, like Artist Loft pre-mixed pouring paint, then in that case I would fill it to the brim. It's just not necessary in this case. Here goes. Okay, let's see how this goes. People don't normally do this, but there is a lot of paint sticking inside my cup and it's separated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take advantage of that. Scoop her on out and put her down. I mean, just look at that popsicle stick. That is beautiful. Wow. Torch it. Because it got a lot of air bubbles. I'm going to shut the camera off and come back in 5 minutes, maybe 10, and twist this out. Hey, what you think? I got little earrings, cows, being abducted by UFOs. You know, blue lipstick, got the whole eyeshadow thing going on. I'm trying to look like an alien. What do you think? Who knows? I sure act like one. Here goes. Okay, so for my next trick, I have a couple of thoughts about this. I'm thinking I'm gonna add a bloom to it on top since I've already got a bloom recipe going here. My second thought is garbage, but as I've told you before, I don't like to do that, so I like to try to find a way to save these. I mean, there's aspects of it I like. I love the way the colors are blending. I love the lines. This is weird. I like that. I don't even know what to think about that. I don't feel like tipping it off more, and I don't feel like spinning it's going to be the answer. So we experiment. That is the joy of this form of artwork. I'm going to center my bloom right in there. I gotta decide what colors I want. We'll do green and blue. I think I have a tiny bit of purple left. Perfect. I don't need to do a ton, so there's already so much. Just enough purple, it's like magic. The real question is what color cell activator. I think I'm gonna have to go with white, which means I'm gonna have to refresh it a little bit because my white isn't the greatest. You know, actually, we'll just use green. That's already done. I'm in a hurry. It's Father's Day, and I want to go see my dad. And I was informed that my brother and his wife are coming to town. I haven't seen them in a long time. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hope it doesn't suck. Don't suck, Raina. Don't suck. If I do suck, you're never gonna see this. Revenge on me. Since this is my least favorite part, I'm gonna blow that way. But I gotta move. Well, no, I should have put some more paint there, huh? Blowtorch down. Alright, let's see what happens there. Meanwhile, I'm going to set up my spinner. I'm putting this down to protect the base of my cake spinner, kids. No other reason. Now, obviously, I don't want to do this too strong because A, I don't want paint flying all over the place. I just want to spin it out just a little bit. Oh, yeah. A little pointless, but that's okay. I'm gonna tilt this. I should have put my gloves back on. Here it is. It's wet. Kind of looks like an alien flower reaching out into the cosmos, or maybe an abstract jellyfish. Not quite sure what to think of this. That's some really nice cells right there. That purple and green look good together. I'm not saying it was aliens, but aliens.